Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Mahadevan Nayak NS. Welcome you all for LMS e-content program sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Program Bachelor of Commerce, BCom, subject Principles of Marketing. Second semester, University of Mysore, session 28. Session 28. The topic relating retail marketing. Learning objectives to understand the retail marketing structure. The outcomes of the session will be learners are introduced to the retail marketing and its meaning. Let us see the introduction to retail marketing. The word retail is derived from the French word retailer. It is one of the word the retail marketing is derived from French word. That means we can say it is to cut a piece, a breakdown. Retail as trade has developed over the period of time from unorganized street vendor or seller. We can see so many sabjawala, panwala, to organized shops like super bazaars, departmental stores. Today we see a revolution in the field of retail business with the entry of firms like Big Bazaar, Moore's, Walmart, McDonald, Big Baskets. We can see so many types of business which was came in retail marketing. A retailer may be a person or institution. The person who delivers goods to the ultimate consumer in the channels of distribution is called as a retailer. What may be the meaning of retail marketing? Let us see the meaning of retail marketing. Retail marketing is application of marketing function, or we can say it is a distribution of goods to the customers. The person who distributes the goods is called as a retail marketing. Organized retail is not just selling of goods. It embraces activities of marketing like grading, or it may be a packing, promotion, and advertisement, and so on. Retail marketing will be offer a reasonable price like discounts, credit, etc. Or retail marketing provides convenience, comfort in shopping in place or medium that is convenient to the consumer. Some of the popular definition of retail marketing that we can define. According to Philip Kotler, who is a marketing guru, he defines retail marketing as said, all activity in selling goods or services directly to final consumers for personal or non-business use is retailing or retail marketing. Another definition, American Marketing Association. Retailing consisting of activities involved in selling directly to ultimate consumers for personal or non-business uses. It embraces the direct to consumers sales activities of the producer, whether through his own store, by house to house counseling, or receiving a order from mail business. This is one of the popular definitions stated by American Marketing Association. Retail marketing primarily it undertakes the following basic activities. The first one is it identify the customers and understand his needs. Store the needed merchandise or goods. Attractive presentation of goods for easy identification and convenience of to the customers. It provide necessary comfort in purchase such as location, price, services, etc. Some of the characteristics or features of retail marketing: sale to ultimate customer, convenient form, convenient place and location, is a last link in the chain of distribution, it is an organized sale, marketing not just sale, after sales and services of the goods, creation of utility, delightness of a customers and customer satisfaction are some of the characteristics features of retail marketing. We can summarize as retail marketing makes people to imagine or desire goods that can satisfy his needs. It creates and delivers those goods with the expectation of a customers. Delightfulness of customers will be made by retail marketing. Some of the MCQs may be asked in this session are: the first one, the word retail is derived from the dash word. It is Latin word. A retailer is a person who sells the goods in a small quantities, not in a large quantities. So answer is B. The main objective of the management is the management will always think for profitability, increasing in market shares, that is sales growth, return on investment. So we can mention the D. All of these is the answer for the third question. In retailing, there is a direct interaction with producer, customer, wholesaler. Answer is D. All of these. Retailing creates time utility, place utility, ownership utility. All of these is the answer. The D is the answer for the fifth one. Some of the references as usually made from marketing management: Philip Kotler, Pillai and Bhagwati, Rajan Saxena. Thank you one and all.